Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use drawing guides in Procreate. Drawing guides are powerful tools that help you create precise and consistent artwork. You can find them in the Canvas menu under Drawing Guide. Once enabled, you'll discover 4 distinct guide types: 2D grid, isometric, perspective, and symmetry. Each offers unique benefits, allowing you to maintain accurate proportions and perfect alignment throughout your creative process. Let's dive into the 2D grid and isometric guides. The 2D grid is perfect for maintaining consistent spacing and alignment, like when drawing comics or patterns. You can easily adjust its size and opacity to suit your canvas. For 3-dimensional illustrations, the isometric guide is invaluable, helping you create objects with accurate depth and angles. Remember to experiment with thickness and color settings to make your guides work best for you. Next, we have perspective and symmetry guides. Perspective guides allow you to establish realistic depth, whether you need 1, 2, or 3 vanishing points. Simply tap on the canvas to place or remove these points. Symmetry guides are fantastic for creating perfectly mirrored designs, from characters to mandalas. You can select from vertical, horizontal, quadrant, or radial options, each offering unique creative possibilities for your artwork. Finally, let's talk about Drawing Assist and customization. When Drawing Assist is enabled, your strokes will automatically snap to the active guide, ensuring incredible precision. You can fine-tune your guides by adjusting their color, thickness, and opacity within the guide settings. Procreate also allows you to save custom guide presets, streamlining your workflow for recurring projects. When you're finished, simply toggle the guide off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.